The National Aerospace Laboratories (NAL) has announced the new Swadeshi Kamikaze drone. These are designed to precisely strike enemy targets. Its significant advantage of India's defense technology. This drone has an approximate wingspan of 3.5 meters and 2.8 meters in length. Weigh around 120 kilograms. A Swadeshi Kamikaze drone has a 30 horsepower Wankel engine, and it can reach a speed of 180 kilometers per hour, and it carries a payload of 25 kilograms of high explosive. The Swadeshi Kamikaze drone hit the target at a 1,000 kilometer range. The indigenous kamikaze drones show significant milestones of India's defense capabilities.